I heard the music. I know y'all heard the music. Happy Thursday. I cannot believe we're already at Thursday. The week is almost over, y'all. It's almost the weekend. What's poppin'? It's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. If you're not subscribed, right now is the time to subscribe. Make sure your notification bell's on. So anytime I upload in this thing, you are alerted. I upload in the mornings, and it's the news you can use, which is fragrance news. And then in the evening, some type of haul, walk through, something. And I try to include myself in it because y'all know y'all like seeing me. Ow. Okay. So, y'all, we had Kindle News Network yesterday, and the comments is where it's at. People be leaving in the comments all the tea. So definitely, if you know tea, you have to leave it in the comments for me. Okay. That way we can interact with each other because this is our channel. Okay. This is our channel. So New Things is going for a bigger discount. The brunch collection, yes, it finally made its way down in price. That means I can finally go get my pear brulee. I've been waiting for the sale to come down more. And as soon as the sale went down more, I knew Brulee was going to come home with me. So Brulee, I'm going into the stores today to see if I can get it for the 75% off, because you know online and in stores sometimes don't match up. Now, if you don't check out the Babes of Bath and Body Works Uncensored, what are you doing? Go check out the Babes today. Go subscribe to the Babes on Facebook, okay? One of their members did post that they have 75% off candles at their store, and a lot of people are posting the 75% off candles and letting you know where you can get them at, because the 75 off 3 weeks and 1 week is a big deal for this sale, as y'all know. So if you could get your hands on them, definitely you win it. Now, my Canadian plug was good. BBW loves 50. She made some posts. Some fall stuff is in the air. Okay, some more fall stuff is hitting her store. Plus, she found a one-off gem. I love the one-off gems. That's my hunt for the rest of the sale. Like, I got my bulk stuff the first day of the sale. Now I'm looking for just one-off gems. And Wrapped in Sugar is definitely a one-off gem. And she definitely better have picked it up. Did you pick it up, girl? You better have picked it up. Let me know in the comments below, though. But I think she picked it up. So if you're not checking her out, check her out. She's on the IG. I love her. I talk about her all the time, and she's always putting me on the Canadian exclusives. Now, Poppy's coming soon, okay? Poppy is coming soon. But y'all peep how they tried to use slang and it kind of didn't work. It's the floral for us all. What? It's the floral for us all. I need whoever is in your stay hip department to figure it out, because it's the floral for me. That's where it should have went. Okay? That's where we should have went with this. So whoever's in their slang and stay hip department, you're fired. Because no, it's the floral for us all. No. Like, and I get what they're saying. It could be the floral for us all. I get it. But no, just say it's the floral for me. It would have sounded better. So hire me. Matter of fact, Bath and Body Works, put me on marketing, period. Like, put me on marketing. Y'all let me know in the comments below if they should put me on marketing so I can go ahead and talk to somebody. Okay. Now, Target Home Styles. If you do not check out Target Home Styles, you need to be acting up on IG, okay? I feel like I need to unfriend everyone who's posting 75% off candles. Y'all are toxic to me. Oh my God, but he is so right. Everybody that be posting these amazing 75% off candles, y'all are toxic. Now, y'all, yesterday, my friend Jazzy, I told you Jazzy, my friend, she texted me. She was like, girl, fall soaps is out at Pflugerville. So I said, okay, I'm going to go, So I went over there, all right? And y'all, look. They had some fall soaps. A lot of people like, no, not the fall. Girl, God, I get it. Like, I didn't buy any of the fall soaps. While I was there, I was getting some 75% off stuff because I found some bomb 75% off one-offs that I had to pick up. But, it's nice to look at, to see what's coming. And I have to say, I like the packaging on this. Yes, this old school, but everything smelled good. I smelled them all. I was like, ooh, yes, but spend cash? Not right now. I am not in the mood for fall. Like, summer ain't even hit. Today, I get my summer island girl hair. I'm definitely going to be in this thing saying, I'm an island girl. Yes, I'm about to be acting up. I'm about to be acting up. Okay. So Island Girl hair on the way. So I'm really not thinking about fall, but it's my job to show y'all what's in stores and what's coming. So this is what's coming. I know you want to block it out in your mind, but your finances, you still got to plan them finances for the rest of the year. So I'm just showing you what's there and what's coming. So you will continue to see fall pop up on the timelines and things like that. But it's just showing, of course, none of us, I hope, is buying fall right now. Now, Danielle Scented Life, she is just making some holla noise on Instagram. If you do not check her out, check her out. Let her know I sent you. Y'all, some 3-wick candles is ringing up for $3.19. Okay? 14.93 wick candles ringing up for $3.19. I don't know why. I don't know how. I don't know. I don't even know which ones. But all I did was see this, and I was like, $3.19. Girl, where you live? I need to come visit, okay? So if you're not checking her out, check her out. Now, I asked y'all yesterday, I said, y'all shopping this Victoria's Secret sale. A lot of people said, nah, I'm done with VS. I don't do VS. VS what? VS who? Some people said, go ahead, do a little walkthrough. Let us know if we need to go. Some people said, go to the outlet. Show us what the outlet got. I'll be in the outlets on Saturday at noon in San Marcos, just so you guys know, and they do have a VS outlet. And some people say, yeah, I got my bras, I got my panties, because that's what I get during the semi-annual sales. Some people say semi-annual sale costs more than some of the sales they run throughout the year, which I agree on some items, yes. And then somebody said, yeah, I'm shopping. Okay. Now, somebody that shopped it and you need to check her out is Shay. Shay, she has a YouTube and she has an Instagram. So go follow her. Let her know I sent you. But I've been seeing a lot of people post they bought Cotton Poppy. Okay. So now I'm like, I like the packaging. Maybe I need to get my butt in the store. So I think I'm going to take my butt to the store because the Cotton Poppy, okay, I think I want to try. I smell all the bottom row and I got the elixir ones, but kiwi might be, is that kiwi chill it says? That might be something up my alley. So maybe 2 sprays and I'm done. So she has convinced me to go look in the store, see what they got and try it out. Okay. Now, y'all, if you missed the video last night, what are you doing? Like, the semi-annual sale at the outlet was lit. If you missed that video, what is you doing? It was for the Round Rock outlet. Now, somebody told me Round Rock outlet was more popping than San Marcos because they went to the San Marcos one and they said, yo, Round Rock one was popping. So I'm going to do my little comparison. So San Marcos, if any of the reps is watching, y'all better put out something that's popping so y'all can win this little battle, okay? So Tina Marie's final thoughts, okay? So this is my final thoughts. I see this on Facebook and I holla, y'all. I love being told I smell good. Like, yeah, thank you. I taste better, though. Oh my God. I don't know why. It just made me holla. I taste better though. Okay. You better tell them. You better tell them. Like, seriously. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you're enjoying your shopping, your hauls. If you do hauls, let us know in the comments below. This is our channel. Okay. So make sure to spread the word about our channel because we're trying to get to 100K. So that's it. That's all. That's all I got for the Candle News Network today. So DJ, for the people in this 100-degree weather that know to take a shower in the morning and at night, okay? Play my music.